how to lock private documents on iPhone. So first of all, I'm going to open a Files application, and in here you can see I have these documents and I want to hide these two documents. So there's no direct way of hiding it, but what you can do is compress these files into a zip folder. For that, what you're going to do is first of all select, tap on the three dot bar right here, tap on select, tap on the selected files just like this. I've selected two. Now tap on the three dot bar right here. Then you can see the option of compress, tap on it. And if you scroll down a bit here, you can see this is the compressed file. So if you simply tap on this option, then we'll get to see another unzipped folder. And if you tap on that one, here you can see these are all of the files. So if you want to view it, you can view it. And when you're done with it, you can go back and simply delete this unzipped folder. For that, long press on it. And then from here, if you scroll down a bit, you'll get to see the option of delete, tap on it, and simply delete that folder. So in here, if you scroll down a bit here, you can see these files are still in here. You can now delete these files. Simply again, tap on this three dot bar, then tap on select them, and then tap on the dustbin icon right here and simply delete those files. Now again, when you go up in here and open the unzipped file, you'll be able to see all of your files, and like that you'll also be able to lock and private your documents. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.